Hey there guys, it's John Waite here. Thanks for checking out my review. Now before we get started with this review, are you ready to revolutionize your internet marketing game? Imagine having a team dedicated to crafting your entire online marketing empire, guiding you until you hit that impressive milestone of earning $10,000 per month. If this ambitious journey excites you, then dive into the first link in the description to explore more. Before I do that, I want to tell you about the 4 awesome bonuses that I'm going to give you when you pick this product up through the link below this video. Bonus number 1, I'm going to show you how I get 250,000 brand new subscribers every single Friday. This isn't a method or a technique or anything like that. I literally show you where to pick them up, how to get them, and how to mail them with a self-hosted autoresponder that costs between $3 and $12 a month. Bonus number 2 is I'm going to show you my 2023 free traffic method that is getting me a ton of free traffic to my websites, blogs, and offers. Bonus number 3 is I'm going to give you 100% commission throughout the funnel to promote Empire Course, so that it's literally like having your own course without needing to do any of the setup or any of the support. And bonus number 4 is I'm going to show you how to rank all of your YouTube videos first for your selected keyword inside YouTube. So those are the 4 awesome bonuses that you're going to get. So with that said, let's jump straight over and see what this product is all about. But before we do that, don't forget, if you would like me and my team to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then you're going to want to check out the first link in the description. And if you want to pick up this product that I'm reviewing, then you want to check out the second link in the description, and I'll see you on the inside.
Are you tired of missing out on leads and sales because you just can't be online all of the time? What if you had a super smart assistant who worked 24/7 engaging with your customers whenever they needed help? What if you could transform your website or documents into a super responsive chatbot that talks to your customers like a real person, all without having to learn any of the tech stuff or pay extra fees every single month? It's time for a game changer in the way you handle customer interactions, generate leads, and drive those sales. I'm thrilled to introduce to you IntelliMate. It's the game-changing solution that is reshaping the way businesses connect with their customers. The groundbreaking self-learning app that transforms any URL, any website, any document into a conversational AI chatbot, working tirelessly around the clock to revolutionize your business. No more tech skills required, 0 manual work, and definitely no monthly fees. Yes, you heard that right. Never miss another lead or sale with this revolutionary, self-learning, conversational AI technology. IntelliMate turns any URL, website, or document into a chatbot in just seconds. These self-learning conversational AI chatbots use your existing resources to engage customers in their language, providing information 24/7 and saving you both time and money. But wait, there's more. You can customize these chatbots to reflect your brand identity, embed them on any page with a single click, and watch as they generate leads, make sales, and provide top-tier customer support around the clock, enhancing your business like never before. Conversational AI chatbots are the future, engaging customers across the globe, handling queries in multiple languages, and doing it all while appearing human. Imagine the impact on your business: swift, accurate, and personalized responses that boost customer satisfaction. Here's the secret sauce. IntelliMate can be trained using your PDF documents, text, and website URLs, absorbing the essence of your business and becoming an extension of your brand. Teach it specific Q&A to make smarter recommendations and embed it effortlessly on multiple pages. And guess what? You don't need to be a tech genius to harness the power of IntelliBot AI. Our user-friendly interface makes training finding the chatbot a breeze. In just a few clicks, you can customize responses, fine-tune the AI's understanding, and watch as it becomes the virtual assistant you've always dreamed of. But what sets IntelliMate apart? It's not just an AI chatbot. It's a conversational AI marvel. It uses natural language processing for dynamic, human-like interactions, adapting seamlessly to various niches and ensuring a consistent brand experience. Now let's talk business. IntelliMate doesn't just streamline your operations, it offers limitless possibilities. Whether you're an agency owner, digital marketer, entrepreneur, a blogger, this tool, it's tailor-made for your success. Agency owners are using IntelliMate to streamline their client communication and support. Digital marketers are using it to engage users and support campaigns, while affiliate marketers are using it to recommend products to their customers. Even entrepreneurs and social media marketers are using IntelliMate to streamline support, improve engagement, and response. But here's the real kicker. Businesses leveraging IntelliMate are not just transforming their customer experience and sales, they're supercharging their bottom line. By providing services and becoming IntelliMate agencies, entrepreneurs are raking in six-figure incomes by helping local businesses thrive in the digital age. Offer premium chatbot services to businesses like restaurant owners, spas, real estate agents, car dealers, chiropractors, yoga trainers, website owners, bloggers, paid advertisers, and even e-commerce store owners. Drive their sales, enhance customer support, and charge a premium fee. Imagine the potential here. You could easily sell customized chatbots to any of these and charge a premium fee of $297 per year per client. Mind-blowing, right? Now here's the thing. Right now you can get access to IntelliMate at a hugely discounted one-time price. However, this special launch offer will not be around forever. Prices are set to rise soon, and you don't want to miss out on the opportunity to transform your business at this unbeatable rate. Act now and secure your spot before prices soar. Remember, every second counts. Your business deserves the efficiency and productivity that IntelliMate brings to the table. And here's our promise to you. Try IntelliMate risk-free for 30 days. If you are not thrilled with the outcome, simply contact our support team for a hassle-free refund. No fuss, no hassle, just a straightforward money-back guarantee. Don't let another moment slip away. Join the revolution. Get started with IntelliMate today. Sign up now and let the future of customer engagement begin with you.